Good morning, guys. Halloween 2019 is underway. Halloween is in 2 days, and I am up early assembling treat bags for our trick-or-treaters. I love doing this every year, so I wanted to take you guys along with me for a really quick video to show you how I do it. One thing that I like to do is give those kids who might have allergies or maybe they're too young for candy, I like to give those kids a non-candy option. I put in all kinds of things. You can go to the dollar store, you can go to the Target dollar spot. After Halloween, they sell stuff for like 70% off, really cheap. Get those things after Halloween. Spiders, little crayon paper packs, throw in some spiders and bubbles, and you can even put little toys in there. Kids will love it. I always keep those non-candy items in a separate bag so I don't get them confused later on when I'm packing everything together. And I put them in a teal bucket because now that's what parents recognize when they are looking for those non-candy options. So over here, I already have some done. What I do, what are you doing? What? You're distracting me. First thing I do is get my treat bags. These are from Walmart. They are 99 cents each. They all have 20 bags in them. We get a lot of trick-or-treaters, so I need lots of bags. Possibilities are endless when you are trying to fill these bags. You can put yogurt raisins. Got some more yogurt raisins over here, applesauce, pretzels, whatever you feel like putting in these bags, you can put in them. Kids will eat them. We got little spiders, teeth, of course, candy. You know, these options are not expensive. I shop for things after Halloween and I stock up on them. Getting candy on sale, our local grocery store usually has 50% off after a certain amount of time. Really like doing, which is so simple and the kids love it, is getting lollipops, putting a tissue over them and just tying it with any kind of ribbon. These were, I think, 99 cents at Michael's. I think they're so cute. Kids really love them. As always, I appreciate y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out some of our other Halloween videos for 2019. Let me know in the comments how your trick-or-treat bags turned out. Happy Halloween, everybody!